Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite travel finds. This is the Collapsible Travel Kettle by Brentwood. It's a super easy setup. I actually bought this for my mom because she travels a lot and she always has the problem where she can't find hot water for her tea. So this is a really compact kettle which can fit in your suitcase. And basically it's super simple. All you do is pour water in. The blue light will come on when you plug it in, and then it starts boiling. And within just a few minutes, you have hot water pretty much anywhere that you have a plug. It holds up to 3.4 cups of water or zero point 0.8 liters. There is a concealed element, the heating element, so there's really no chance of getting burned, but I would say that you may want to use the handle when pouring because the silicone gets a little bit hot when the water is boiling. The thing I love about this kettle is how compact it is. Basically, when you're done, all you do is just press down on the top and close it down to a small compact size and you're ready to go.